In this video, I'm going to show you the best side hustle for beginners to make reoccurring commissions. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what to do and to start making money today. Let's get started. Stop chasing quick hits. I'm sure you've tried a couple different things, but most side hustles pay you once and then disappear. But reoccurring commissions, you can benefit years later based on the work you do today. So it's an obvious step to take. The easiest side hustle for beginners is affiliate marketing because you don't have to create products, you promote someone else's product. When people buy, you earn recurring commissions, and your only job is to drive traffic to your link. So when you sign up, you get a unique affiliate link. It's automatically tracked and paid out directly to you every time someone buys through your link. It should be very, very simple. You drive traffic to the offer, and you earn recurring commissions. So all you have to do is make short videos on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. You send viewers to the link, and a paid membership earns recurring commissions. You don't need a website, no funnels, no blogs, no funnel. You don't need inventory or shipping, okay? You don't need to deal with customer service, no refunds. All you have to do is post short form content, all right? The number one beginner mistake is picking a bad offer, okay? So the reason a one-time payout isn't going to work is because you have to find new customers every single month. A good side hustle pays you a reoccurring commissions every single month. So years from now, you still benefit from the work you do today. You don't need followers. 10 years ago, when I started affiliate marketing, you needed a following in order to gain any traction with affiliate marketing. But with the introduction of short form content, that's no longer the case. Anyone can reach a large audience. So the algorithm pushes your content even if you have 0 views. Now, what'll happen is when you start a brand new account on any of these platforms, a lot of times you'll get stuck. You'll get shadow banned, you'll get 0 views. And the reason is you have to warm up your account properly, okay? And I teach that when you sign up for the course. You have to warm up and look human for the platform to trust your account, okay? So it's not just the content, but it's also the trust score that your account carries with it, okay? So you have to show that you're a normal human, which is actually harder, easier said than done. All right. Next is the viral video framework. What I did is I analyzed the top performing videos across all the platforms. And what I recognized was a very clear pattern that the top performing videos they all use the same framework. Okay. So you don't want to start posting content completely blind, right? And trying to guess what might work. I teach you exactly what works. So now you go into this with the game plan of knowing how to get the platforms to trust your account and posting the right content. Okay. And you can do all of this without showing your face. When I say refer other people, okay, with your link, that doesn't mean you promote to your friends or family. This simply means you're going to post short form content and strangers will see it and you're promoting to them. Okay. So you create the short form content, you promote the right offer, it's a reoccurring commissions, and I teach you everything you need to know. All you need is a phone, an internet connection, and a willingness to post consistently for 90 days. Here's what you don't need. You don't need a website, no inventory, no customer service, no paid ads, and no previous experience. Picture your life a year from now, where you continue to earn recurring commissions that hit monthly based on the work you do today. The only reason this doesn't work is because you don't post or you don't stay consistent posting and driving traffic to your link. Now here's what I want you to do next. Help me blow up on YouTube by subscribing to this channel. Hit the thumbs up button on this video. Comment your income goals below. Share this with a friend who wants to make money. And if you really want to help the channel grow, watch this video 100 times. And if you're ready to start making money, click the link in the description below. Let's make some money.